Sandra with the Barking Princess Canine Acupressure and Massage. And I have a few tips for you if your dog is experiencing any anxiety or stress. So right now, with everything that's going on in the world, a lot of households have uncertainty and stress, and your dog is going to pick up on those feelings too. So here's a few products that I like that you could use at home to help your dog. So the first one, there's the Thunder Coat. This is just another brand called the Anxiety Wrap. Either one would work great in helping your dog feel more secure. And the concept is just like a little tight t-shirt or wrap that just helps your dog feel snug and more secure. It's also great if your dog has a fear of thunder or fireworks. The same company that makes the Thunder Coat makes a Thunder Cap. And this just goes over the muzzle. Your dog can actually see through, but everything is just a little more muted, and the nose just comes out right here. This is a really good product for car anxiety. And then Sentry, they have their Good Behavior Calming Drops and the Good Behavior Bear. And so there's just these little drops. These are pheromone drops, and you'll just open this up, put a few drops on the bear. Any plush toy would work just fine. And then just set it near your dog in his bed, and that just helps him with calming. And then on the topic of pheromones, Adaptil, they have a nice little spray. You can spray your dog's bed. If you're dealing with car anxiety, you'll want to spray your car about 10 minutes before getting in it. And then Adaptil also has a calming collar. This is very much like a flea and tick collar, but it's just the pheromones that your dog is wearing around his neck. And then with herbs, Herbsmith has a product called Calm Shen that is great. Another, if you want a liquid herb, this is Animal Essentials Tranquility Blend. I like to use this on their animal wellness bites. And because herbs work best if you use them away from food. So if you just take a few drops, put it on a cookie, and let your dog eat it away from his meal, it will work really well. You can do the same thing with a CBD drop. So this is Canna Drops by Healthy Hemp. They also make these little cookies that you could give. Chamomile and lavender are also great. You can make a tea, let it cool, put it in your dog's water. I would use about a teaspoon per 10 pounds. And then there's Rescue Remedy, which is wonderful. So this is the drop. If you're going to use the drops, you can either squirt it directly into the mouth or put a few drops into your dog's water bowl. There's also a spray, and you would just spray your dog's bed or kennel, and it really does help with relaxation. I hope these tips were helpful to you, and I wish you and your dog a nice, stress-free, relaxing day. Thank you.